What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of HTML tutorials. In this episode, we're going in depth on how to get started, how to get your brackets software, and start coding in HTML. So many of you may be wondering, what is HTML? Well, it pretty much is the programming language of the web. So whatever you see, the content of the website, that is pure HTML. Now, there are other programming devices out there such as CSS and JavaScript, but that is for another tutorial. If you want to go check that out, I have some tutorials on that as well, but that's more advanced. That's after you've gotten in depth with HTML and what it is. So let's get started. Let's go download our bracket software, which we will use primarily for the rest of this tutorial. So click on the first link that comes up on Google and click download brackets without extract. I'm not really sure what extract is, to be honest, by Adobe, but I would just do it without the extract. And once you've done downloading it, install it, and we'll get to that soon. Alright, so after you've done downloading and installing your brackets, open it up and you'll see a general screen like this. So you may see that I have two screens open. That's because I clicked on this button over here and I clicked on the horizontal split. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do no split. Right click at the left bar and click new folder and call it tutorial. Open it up, click new file, and call this index.html. HTML files, of course, are ended with the .html file. So once you make a file on brackets, it assumes what type it is, and then it will display it right down here. So with the beginning of HTML5, we really don't have to have so many declarations. So we just made our doc type HTML, and that just tells the browser that this is an HTML file. And after we've done that, we need an HTML. And as you can see, they're always ended with the two brackets, and the one at the end is the brackets with the slash. So as you can see here, that ends the element. So all these things that you see are elements, the ones that are in the brackets. So now what you want to do is create a body element, and that will contain all your, pretty much every element. It is the primary source of output. And within that, you can have p elements, which are pretty much paragraph elements, and you could say, hi, this is a paragraph element. Alright, and that's pretty much the structure of the HTML5. We will go in depth about the different elements such as the paragraph, the heading in our next episode.